personal growth and success. Believing in yourself. This isn't just about feeling good, right? It's the cornerstone of achieving your goals and leading a fulfilling life. With this belief, you'll find overcoming obstacles easier and realizing your full potential. This video will explore 7 key points to help you develop a strong belief in yourself. As we unpack these ideas, remember, when you believe in yourself, you open doors. I talk about this constantly. You will open doors to new opportunities and experiences. You will become more confident, you will become more motivated, and you will be more resilient. But building this belief isn't always straightforward. It requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to work on you, numero uno. So trust me, the payoff is going to be worth it. So let's start with the first point. You have to set realistic goals. When you set achievable goals, you're more likely to meet them. And every small success boosts your self-confidence. Imagine setting a goal that's too ambitious right off the bat. You might set yourself up for a huge disappointment. But by breaking your ambitions into smaller, achievable milestones, each success fuels your belief in what's actually possible. Consider your goals for a moment. Are they realistic? Are they achievable? Break them down into smaller steps and start tackling them one by one. You'll soon see how each accomplishment builds your confidence. Another powerful tool is positive affirmations. By regularly affirming your capabilities, you reinforce a positive self-perception. Stand in front of a mirror. Tell yourself this: I'm capable, I'm strong, and I'm worthy of success. It might feel odd at first, but it's incredibly effective. The more you do it, the more you'll start to actually believe it. Also, think about the company you keep. I say this time and time again. Surround yourself. Surround yourself with supportive, uplifting people that can significantly enhance in your self-belief. Conversely, if you're often around those negative people, it might affect you in how you see yourself. Evaluate your circle. Do they support you? Do they believe in you? If not, it might be time to make some changes. Remember, encountering failure is a part of the journey to success. Every setback is an opportunity to learn and to grow stronger. Successful people aren't those who never fail. They're those who never gave up. Embrace your failures, learn from them, and use them to propel yourself forward. You want to go forward. Visualization is another strategy that can foster a strong belief in your abilities. By visualizing yourself achieving your goals, you see it as being possible. You spend time each day picturing yourself succeeding, and you watch as these mental images help transform your visions into reality. Take time for self-reflection as well. Understand your strengths, acknowledge your weaknesses, and be honest about what drives you. You have to be honest with yourself before you can be honest with anyone else. This type of self-awareness is crucial in fostering a robust belief in your capabilities. And finally, you have to take action. All the world's planning, all the world's dreaming, and you visualizing means nothing without action. Step out of your comfort zone, start working towards your goals, and watch as your self-belief grows with each step that you take. Believing in yourself is an ongoing journey that requires dedication and effort. Keep pushing. Oh, keep pushing. Keep striving. And remember to come back here every Monday for Accountability Mondays to get you recharged for the week ahead. These sessions are designed to keep you motivated and on track with your goals. Remember, your journey to self-belief is just the beginning, and I'm here to help you along the way. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or your questions, and do not forget to subscribe, and if you've already done so, welcome to the family. Turn on your notifications so you never miss our Monday sessions, which air at noon, and they're designed to get you hyped for the week ahead. Until next time, keep on sipping.